Moth defies nature's rules. Scientists in Hawaii have made a groundbreaking discovery with a new moth species that displays a unique behavior in the wild. Unlike any known caterpillar, this one has adapted to living within the webs of spiders, a place typically fraught with danger. This remarkable adaptation allows the caterpillar to inhabit and even feed within these spider webs, challenging our traditional understanding of predator-prey relationships. This fascinating behavior not only reshapes what we know about ecological interactions but also highlights the incredible adaptability of life in tropical ecosystems. The discovery of this moth in 2025 underscores the complexity and dynamism of nature, offering new insights into how species can thrive in seemingly hostile environments.